Jacobus Magic. Now being loaded. Set to go. Raising Jens started Tango. Echo Kate break quickly restart. Rushing at Nawari outside is Birak. Island in between horses, Magnum 357. Then next on line is Aisha's Pride. Warrior Flame is running by the rail. Tapat na po. Getting the widest strip as they make the first turn is Fusion Drive. We have the Rock Island by about 4 lengths. And in second is Tango Echo Kate. Danore inside is Warrior Flame. Magnum 357 comes next. Aisha's Pride and Danore inside Senorita Ruth. Tapat na po comes next Fusion Drive. Money Machine comes next. Jacobus Magic, Sweet Felicia. Then moving up is Good Enough. Inside the tres Octavo we have the Rock Island about to throw the challenge. Nobody else. It is Senorita Ruth. And in third comes Aisha's Pride. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have the Rock Island back to a length lead, and in second is Senorita Ruth. Aisha's Pride now trying to get closer in third as they swing to home. We have the Rock Island by about 2 lengths, and in second is Senorita Ruth. Aisha's Pride is on the outside. Last 100 meters we have the Rock Island, and Senorita Ruth is on the outside. The Rock Island, Senorita Ruth remains in second, and finally it's the Rock Island, Senorita Ruth, Aisha's Pride. Then comes Jacobus Magic.
Alright, number 10, Birak Island. Sa nakita ko, partner, mukhang may one winner tayo.
Oo.
May Birak Island. 10, 1, 11. Ano ba siya na dati natin? Kaya pala biglang bumenta. Mainam. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 7.
One winner.